Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use the rejuvenator. The best function with this is the cleansing with it. So I'm going to show you how to do the settings and then how to do the cleansing and then how to do the hydrating and everything. So you're going to switch your device on and you should have it in the instructions anyway, but you're going to press mode and you're going to select the ultrasonic and press shift to put it all the way up. And then you're going to move to the clean plus mode and push that all the way up. We don't need the LED on this mode, and I'm going to set the timer for around 5 minutes on that, and then just press confirm to get everything going on that. So on this device I usually use like a gel cleanser, so I'm using the Dermacrest Skin Bright today, but you can use any gel cleanser. I find they work quite well. So the reason why I like this product is because the cleansing on it is really good. So it's like a cleansing brush, but you don't have the bristles on it, so it doesn't build up bacteria, and you can use it with the most sensitive skin types. So I'm just going to wet my skin. I'm just going to put the gel on. You can see it foaming up when it's removing my makeup. So ideally I would use a wipe to quickly just take off any heavy makeup, and then use this cleansing routine about 2 times to just remove the dirt deeply. It's really good if you've got like spot prone skin, or if your skin gets clogged up with makeup or anything like that, even pollution. So it just pulls all the dirt, bacteria and grime out, and just keeps your skin really clean. You can use it alongside other gadgets like facial tightening and toning gadgets. You can use it alongside your LED face masks or your LED products as well, so it can integrate into any part of your skincare routine. But it is a really nice and effective way to cleanse your skin without like facial brushes, which you have to change every so often, and they also build up dirt and bacteria. And if you keep using that on your skin, it's not good for your skin. Whereas with this one, it's a nice probe which I would sterilise with antibacterial wipes after every use, so you know when you're going to use that product there's no dirt, bacteria build-up on there that's then going to go back onto your skin. So it's going to be a sterile probe. Put it back in the box or wherever you're storing it, and then pull it out to do your treatments again. So once you've done the cleansing, I would start, you can do the hydration with this device as well, which is really good. So just wipe and pat your skin dry and make sure there isn't any droplets of water left. Also with the rejuvenator, make sure you don't submerge it in water or anything like that. You put the water on your face and then you just use the device with dry hands. So what you would do is switch your device on. You would go to the ultrasonic and you would put that on full, and then you would go to the nutrition and you would push that up, and I would use the LED in this part of the facial as well, and you can set it for as long as you want, but hydration for me is usually only like a couple of minutes with the serum, or then about 5 to 10 minutes with a sheet mask. Usually my sheet mask dries up in about 5 minutes anyway. So I'm just using a simple HA hydrating serum, which I'm just going to use my device to push in. So I would put it on parts of your skin first and then use the device to push it in. And the great thing about the rejuvenator is that you can use it all the way up to your eye. So as so. So that really helps as well with just giving the eye area a bit more hydration as well. And what this is doing is it's pushing your serums just that little bit deeper than it would if you did it with your hands, because it's using the ultrasonic waves to push it through into your skin. So once you've done the hydration part, you can then follow on with a cream or night cream, or then if it is daytime, then I'd recommend just putting on a sun factor as well. So I'm going to use my sun factor. And then just finish that off.